Hello everyone, welcome back to another auction by Purple Violet on eBay. This is one of the last teams that sold, was the Edmonton Oilers. You can see sold by Purple Violet. The selling price was $17.50, ended April 22nd. Edmonton Oilers. That's the 2011-12 Panini Certified. I want to thank everyone for getting your payments in so quickly. We can get this box break on the way right away. This box number is NE93886-823. Another nice sealed box. These are very nice products, a lot of good hits in them. Hope you guys will all come back, look at more auctions I have up. If you guys want to see different boxes, maybe give me a shout. Maybe we'll look into getting different boxes for it. And we're on the way. Hopefully everyone's getting their cards mailed to them in a timely manner. They've been getting them in okay. There's the Flyers, the Canadians, the Maple Leafs, the Canucks, Decoy, and the Sharks. The Oilers, Winnipeg Jets, the Canadians, there's our first hit. Mirror Blue for the Coyotes, Ray Whitney, numbered 53 of 99. Decoy, and the Devils. The Flames, the Rangers, the Flames again, the Blackhawks, Edmonton Oilers. Wow, Jordan Eberle, Prime, 3 of 5. Jordan Eberle, card number 50. That must be a green. Very nice card. The Panthers. Kind of ironic, the last team that sold was Edmonton Oilers, and they get the big hit for Eberle. Winnipeg Jets, Boston Bruins, the Flyers, Certified Team Gold, Claude Giroux, scored last night and played Philly playing, so that will go to Philly, and the Stars. The Bruins, the Canadians, the Kings, Toronto Maple Leafs, Vancouver Canucks. Oh, that's a really cool one. 2.23 GAA. Vancouver Canucks. Fabric of the game, Corey Schneider. Number 2 of 25. And the Blackhawks. The Lightning, the Hurricanes, the Sharks, the Devils. There's another hit. Taylor Hall for Edmonton Oilers. Number 54 of 99. And the Rangers. Nashville Predators, the Blue Jackets, the Coyotes, Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. Autograph, must be a gold. Oh, number 14 of 25, Dion Phaneuf. Nice autograph. And the Sharks. The Canucks, the Stars, the Sharks, Mass Marvels, Carey Price for Montreal Canadiens. That's not numbered. Decoy. And the Canadians. The Blackhawks, the Coyotes, the Kings, Freshman Signatures, Ben Scriven for Toronto Maple Leafs, autograph, Card number 174. Decoy and the Red Wings. Last pack. Good luck to everybody. The Islanders, the Panthers, the Red Wings, Florida Panthers, Mirror Red, Stephen Weiss, card number 170 of 199. And the Senators, Jason Spezza. Thanks a lot to everyone. I'm going to get these cards sent out right away in the morning, and hopefully see you back in my next auctions.